Hi, this is a quick video on how to install the Buddy load binder attachment onto your existing ratchet style load binder. Now this is a standard size binder. It's made for 3/8, 5/16. That's what this is designed to fit on. It also fits on the 3/8 to 1/2 inch load binders as well. We do have a larger model designed to fit on the 1/2 inch to 5/8. But it mounts exactly the same. So what you see here is what you'd use when you're mounting the large Buddy onto the large binders. Now when you get it, it comes completely assembled. You'll notice there's a couple red markings on these that we're going to use later to make sure we install it properly. And the other thing you're going to get is a Tighten Lock Up sticker as well with it. Now to install it, the first thing we have to do is make sure that we've got this set the right way. With the lock up position, when we turn the handle, we want it to tighten. Now in this case here, it's actually loosening, so it's the wrong direction. So we're going to turn that over. With the lock up now, we're going to try it, and now we can see it's tightening. So that's exactly what we wanted to do. So that's the right way to do it. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to take the load binder apart, just disassemble it. Okay, now we've got the Buddy apart here, and we're going to reinstall it. Now when you install the Buddy, you want to have the Buddy facing you. You don't want to have the label facing the other direction. So turn it this way so the Buddy, the actual thing faces the handle. Then you just turn it over, just like that, and now we're ready to install everything back on. You put the bolt through the frame. You're going to put your half moon on. Now they're a little bit different. And the red again goes to the front here to the other red, matches up to that. And then you put your spacer washer in. The next thing we do is put the other half moon in. Again, making sure that the red is facing, matches up here. Then we put our lock nut on. Now we're going to put our other bolt in, our other spacer, go through the half moon, half through the frame, and then we just put the nut on. Now when you're looking at this, as it's sitting here, you can just snug it up as it is. You can get it too tight. The sprocket and the spur gear can be too tight, but we'll just try it like this first and see. Now you notice I'm using a drill. You can use 2 7/16 wrenches, but the whole idea of using the Buddy is to speed everything up with a drill. So that's what we're doing here. We're speeding things up with a drill. Now there's two things you want to check. One, you want to check that there's no interference between the sprocket and the spur gear, and that you're turning in the right direction. So with the lock up, and we turn it, it is actually tightening, but it's also jamming up here. Going the other way, it'll probably do the same thing again. Yeah, and what's happening, I'll just turn it over and show you, is there's a roll pin that goes through most of these units. Now I'm just going to back this off a little bit. And I'll show you here. When I back that off, it turns easily. There's the roll pin. What happens is that catches, and that causes it to jam up. So what we want to do is we're just going to sit this down, and now where it was normally tight, we're just going to back it off just a little bit, and we're going to snug it up. There's actual, it's designed to work around that problem because we've slotted these. Now let's try it again. We'll put the lock up. Now it's working freely, and it's also tightening. And with the lock down, it's loosening off. So that's exactly the way you want it to work. The last thing you do is clean off the grease and stick your Tighten Lock Up sticker here, and you're ready to put the drill on, and away you go. If you have any questions, contact us at bossbuddy.ca. Thank you for watching the video.